Ensure the load is balanced before transit.
Roger that. Command confirms the route is clear for the heavy haulers.
The load balance on truck 7 is critical.
Acknowledged. Slow it down to 20 clicks.
The flow rate on primary looks stable now that the second truck arrived.
Reorganization. Yes, and the moisture content is optimal according to the sensors.
The flow rate looks optimized on the 5mm screen.
Agreed. The oversized diversion is handling the volume well.
The density seems high on the third tank.
Let's increase the water flow slightly and reevaluate.
The flow rate on the main line is optimal.
Confirmed. We are maintaining 99% recovery on this batch.
Mill 1 reports stable RPM. Copy that. Increasing slurry flow to tank 3. Acknowledged. Maintaining pressure. The flow rate on vessel 3 is stabilizing, but the pressure remains slightly elevated. Temperature holding steady at 1200 degrees Celsius. Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal. Initialize sequence 9 for the Asia shipment. Double-check the hermetic seal on crate 12. The surface analysis looks perfect on this batch.
Confirmed. We can move them to packaging.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding projections.
Confirmed. The alignment sequence is flawless.
Purity analysis is complete. Everything is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The engraving matches the specifications.
The alignment is perfect on this one. Seal it up looks flawless. Verification on line 3 is running at peak efficiency. Excellent. The new tagging system is flawless.